Hello everybody, Sylvia here and welcome guys to my GPTs Empire review. So here we have the newest launch by Alessandro Zamboni. This product is going live today, anytime soon. Today is the 11th of December and GPTs Empire is going live actually, to be super precise, at 10 a.m. New York time. Alright. So here is the sales page, which is very clearly and transparently telling you what this product is all about, which I always really appreciate. I don't like any mystery around, the launch coming from the sales page itself. Like, I read through the sales page, but I still don't know what it is that you are actually trying to sell me. Okay, now I am happy to announce this is not the case with this sales page. And by the way, go check out the sales page for yourselves, guys. It will be below my review. I will pinpoint to what's the important sort of information on the sales page, but it will be in the description box below my review, guys. Now here I have the product. Is a 41 pages long ebook guide on how to create GPTs, okay, GPT apps, okay, and there will be some amazing bonuses. You will find out all that you are getting with this product from the sales page, which is refreshing, right? So yeah, Alessandro Zamboni, one of my super favorite, yeah, I guess so, one of my top vendors, I would say. All right. Good score, good decent score. I mean, this guy is so warm-hearted. Even as I was reading through, this PDF guide on, again, how to create and sell, because he does not leave you high and dry, okay, on, oh, this is this new thing coming, okay. As we know, OpenAI owns ChatGPT, and ChatGPT now can create GPTs for you. GPTs. ChatGPT can create GPTs. I mean, they could come up with a better name for it, but anyhow, let's skip the name. And yeah, so these are apps you will own. You can, following this training course from this guide, you will be able to create all kinds of, there's no limits to what kind of apps you can create without any, without having to have background in the, or any coding skills, any background in programming and all of that, right? Yeah, which is quite mind-blowing. It's just mind-blowing to me how things are changing rapidly, especially, these days, the last few years is it's, not easy to catch up with all of that, but hey-ho, that's the, money-rich, time-poor, times we live in, I guess that's the way to put it. So we have to make sure we do make time, right, for things that matter to us. But anyhow, that's just a side note. As per usual, I always have some personal input. But I was gonna say what I really love about Zamboni's style, that, as I was reading through it, I read it all with one breath. Very interesting, very, well structured and clear instructions you will find in this guide. And my point is that super personal, okay? And I do like how honest Alessandro is in this guide. He says that, ChatGPT is obviously allowing you to create as a paid member. Be aware of that, guys, okay? But, it comes down to $20 a month to be a ChatGPT Plus member. And there is way more possible with the paid version of ChatGPT. I guess a lot of people are paid members and, so they keep adding extra possibilities, okay, that, on how you can utilize and squeeze the best of ChatGPT, and now this is one of them. Now, I know ChatGPT, again owned by OpenAI, has postponed the launch of GPT Store. And by the way, when it does happen, probably next month, sometime in January 2024, when this ChatGPT store is launched, then you can also, again, apparently you will be able to sell and advertise your GPT, so your GPT apps on that store as well. But like putting that all to side without, relying on GPT Store itself. There's numerous ways on how you can benefit, use, and profit with your GPTs, or again, GPT apps. And Alessandro will give you even a sales copy, okay, to promote like a sales letter below. I'm not going to sort of like show you all that he says here in this guide, but yeah, you will find a lot of links as well, examples of how he created, I believe, 4 different apps in different categories, like a joke app, recipe app, and then there was a news app, and there was another one that I have already forgotten, but it actually does, it says it all on the sales page, okay, which you're gonna get with this product. So yeah, plenty of ideas and ways on how to benefit financially, okay, from selling these apps as well. Guys, you can share them as links, and you can make those, once you create those apps inside of your ChatGPT account, okay, ChatGPT Plus, you need to be a ChatGPT Plus member, remember that, just to, clear any confusion. It's not for free ChatGPT users. So anyhow, you will be able to get that link, okay, and share your ChatGPT. Sorry, your GPT. I get confused myself, okay. They should really come up with a different name for those GPT apps. So on your sorry, I'm kind of like slowing down. On your website, or, as a link, and you can make that link either public or private, okay. So it will be up to you. And it can be even, I believe, password secured, okay, so it's cool. Now, what we have here also is quite a fantastic funnel, which is so much in line with the front offer. And also, I picked some bonuses which will help you sell your GPTs, okay, because having access to traffic is always of biggest importance, because, no traffic, no money, as they say. So, I'll give you 3 bonuses on how to profit with your GPTs on platforms like Etsy, via Facebook apps, and on how to do it by creating super cool desktop vertical video shorts. So 3, full blown training courses to get access to more traffic. Okay, now guys, this product will be delivered to you like that. That's the members area. But once you click through this link here, okay, and this is the email address to reach out to Alessandro Zamboni. And as I said, I do love this vendor, and one of the reasons why I love him as a vendor so much is because he's really, really there for his clients, okay, and affiliates as well. I'm speaking from an affiliate perspective. Very good support. So once you click through this link, you will be able to download these 2 files. Okay, so ChatGPTs Empire is the ebook, and 11,400 GPT apps. This is gonna give you access. This bonus is gonna give you access. As you can see, the link is blurred here, obviously. I can't really reveal this information, but once you click through this link, it's going to take you to a website where let me show you the website actually. Anyhow, inside of this website, you will get access to so many apps you can check out and get inspired by. Okay, so very, very good. And you can get ideas from this website on, creating your own GPTs. So guys, going back to the sales page, okay, let's just go through the headlines. It says, end your struggle with programming and overpriced freelancers, okay, whom you would pay to for creating apps for you, right, should you need one. It says, build amazing apps with ChatGPT. Just describe your vision, no coding or no or stress needed. So that's the thing, you know, you're gonna be chatting with ChatGPT, describing what kind of app you want, inputting the information the app will need to perform to its best possibility. Okay, so you need to be precise, you need to be specific, you need to feed it the right kind of information to make the best out of it. Okay, but anyhow, some of the upsells will give you better information on how to create advanced apps. Okay, we'll go through the funnel in a second, but I just want to see if there's anything I need to sort of comment on the sales page. As I said, I do like it because it just tells you all about the product, so there's no buts or ifs or blah blah blah, you know, so you know what you're getting. He says, like, in this ChatGPT Empire, you'll find an explanation of what GPTs are and how you can use them, the requirement you need to create them only. You see, he says transparently, only ChatGPT Plus members, and also 5 apps creation tutorial. So yeah, Sandro will show you in this guide on how he step by step created 5 completely different GPTs. How and where to sell your GPTs. Yes, he with even his secret sales letter, tips and tricks, ideas, and a whole lot more. And that is true. Alessandro here, okay, and this bonus is just amazing. This platform he gives you access to, the secret platform, is really, really something else. Right, guys, so let's check out the funnel. So OTO number 1 is a guide that shows how to create advanced apps, and it sells for 27. OTO number 2 is a collection of 600 GPT builder prompts for highly marketable GPTs, and this one is 27 as well. OTO number 3 is a set of 1,565 extra GPT builder prompts to create top-selling GPTs. This is for 37, and OTO number 4 is 2,151 GPT builder prompts for GPTs powered by DALL-E 3 for image creation. So this AI bot, you know, is your image generator for graphics, for pictures, images, and all of that. So yeah, I love the funnel. It goes hand in hand with the front offer, very much in line. And I believe the front end is $17. Yeah, there we have it. Alright guys, so that was my GPTs Empire review. And do remember, you're getting my splendid bonuses as well, should you feel like this is the product for you and you wish to pick it up from me. The link will be right below my review. Go check it out for yourself. Alright, ciao, have a beautiful day.